Addition and subtraction of mixed numbers. First, we need to convert mixed numbers to improper fractions. Let's have an example. We will have 2 and 3 over 4 plus 3 and 2 over 5. Okay, we are going to convert this to improper fractions. We will have 2 multiplied by 4 and then add this by 3. Copy the denominator, which is 4, plus 3 multiplied by 5 and add by 2. The denominator here is 5. 2 multiplied by 4 plus 3, this is 11. And the denominator is 4 plus 3 times 5 plus 2, that is 17, with 5 as the denominator. We will now add dissimilar fractions. First, get the LCD of 4 and 5. The LCD of 4 and 5 is 20. And for the numerator, this will be 20 divided by 4 multiplied by 11 plus, again, the LCD here is 20, and then we will have 20 divided by 5 multiplied by 17. 20 divided by 4 multiplied by 11, this is 55 all over 20, plus 20 divided by 5 multiplied by 17, that will be equal to 68 all over 20. We will just add the numerators. 55 plus 68, that is 123, and just copy the denominator, which is 20. We can still simplify this. 123 divided by 20, the whole number here is 6, and just copy the denominator, which is 20. We will have here 123 minus 6 times 20, and this will be 6. 123 minus 120, that is equal to 3 all over 20. Therefore, 2 and 3 over 4 plus 3 and 2 over 5, that is equal to 6 and 3 over 20. Let's have here another example. 3 and 1/4 plus 8 and 3 over 4 plus 10 and 2 over 4. First, we need to convert this mixed numbers to improper fractions. So let us start with 3 and 1/4. We have 3 multiplied by 4 plus 1, and the denominator is 4, plus 8 multiplied by 4 plus 3. The denominator is 4, plus 10 multiplied by 4 plus 2 with the denominator of 4. 3 times 4 plus 1, this is equal to 13 all over 4, plus 8 times 4 plus 3, this is equal to 35 all over 4, plus 10 multiplied by 4 plus 2, this is equal to 42 all over 4. Since they have the same denominators, they are similar fractions, we can add directly all the numerators. This will be 13 plus 35 plus 42, and then just copy the denominator, which is 4. 13 plus 35 plus 42, this is equal to 90. 90 all over 4 We can still simplify this to a mixed number. 90 divided by 4, the whole number here is 22. And the denominator, we will just copy the denominator. For the numerator, that will be 90 minus 22 multiplied by 4. And this will be equal to 22. The denominator is 4. And this will be, the numerator here is 2. But we can still simplify 2 and 4 because 2 is common between them. This will now be 22 divided by 2, that is equal to 1, and 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. Therefore, 3 and 1/4 plus 8 and 3/4 plus 10 and 2/4, that is equal to 22 and 1/2. Next example, we have 15. 3/8 minus 10 and 1/5 plus 6 and 9/20. First, we need to convert this to improper fractions. Let's start with the first fraction. We will have here 15 multiplied by 8 plus 3 all over 8 minus 10 multiplied by 5 plus 1 all over 5 plus 6 multiplied by 20 plus 9 all over 20. 15 times 8 plus 3, this is 123 all over 8 minus 10 times 5 plus 1, that is 51 all over 5 plus 6 times 20 times 9, this is 129 all over 20. We will then add dissimilar fractions. First, we will get their LCD, or lowest common denominators. The LCD of 8, 5, and 20 is 40. Our denominator here will be 40. And then we will have here 40 divided by 8 multiplied by 123 minus, the denominator is also 40, and then we will have here 40 divided by 5 multiplied by 51 plus, again, our LCD, or the denominator, is 40, and this will be 40 divided by 20 multiplied by 129. 40 divided by 8 multiplied by 123, this is equal to 615 all over 40 minus 40 divided by 5 multiplied by 51, that is equal to 408 all over 40 plus 40 divided by 20 multiplied by 129, this is equal to 258 all over 40. We will now just subtract and add. We will have here 615 minus 408 plus 258, and we will have the denominator of 40. This will be equal to 465 all over 40. We can still simplify this to a mixed number. This will be equal to 11, and then the denominator is 40, and our numerator is 25. Therefore, 15 and 3/8 minus 10 and 1/5 plus 6 and 9/20, that is equal to 11 and 25 all over 40. Our final answer. Another example, we have here 2 and 1/3 plus 9 and 2 over 5 minus 4 and 1 over 15. First, we need to convert this to improper fractions. Let us start with the first fraction here. This will be 2 multiplied by 3 plus 1 all over the denominator, which is 3, plus 9 multiplied by 5 plus 2 all over 5 minus 4 multiplied by 15 plus 1 all over 15. And we have here 2 times 3 plus 1, that is 7, all over 3 plus 9 times 5 plus 2, that is 47, all over 5 minus 4 times 15 plus 1, that is 61, all over 15. Next, we need to add now the dissimilar fractions. But before we can add, we have first to find their lowest common denominator, or LCD, of 3, 5, and 15. Their LCD is 15. And then for the numerator, this will now be 15 divided by 3 multiplied by 7 plus, again, the denominator here is 15. And this will be 15 divided by 5 multiplied by 47 minus the LCD is 15, and this will be 15 divided by 15 multiplied by 61, and we will have here 35 plus 141 minus 61, and our LCD, or the denominator, is 15. And this will be 115 all over 15. We can still simplify this. This is equal to 7 and 2 over 3. Therefore, 2 and 1/3 plus 9 and 2/3 minus 4 and 1 over 15, that is equal to 7 and 2/3.